Hi guys, here we are going to learn the fingers for the first half of Jamaican Jive by Susie and Phil. You need to be holding your recorder with your left hand at the top, just like I am here. Make sure you can feel that your back hole is totally covered. You should be able to feel, that all of these front holes are covered with the fingers of your left hand. 1, 2, 3. The first note we're going to play is A, so get your fingers ready. A, G, 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 A, G. A, G, 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 A, G. And that is how we play the first half. Let's do that again. Fingers on A, here it comes. A, G, 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 A, G. A, G, 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 A, G. You might notice that my top finger is getting squidged over a bit because I'm holding the recorder a bit funny. That's better like that. Cool. Have a practice of that before we play the whole song.